There's different group chats that are categorized by age, nationality, and abuse types.
They categorize by abuse type?
Yes po.
Perverse talaga mula sa simula hanggang
Yes.
sa dulo.
Children, we also saw children's as content sellers. Like, they intentionally take a video of themselves and also post it online, and also sell it as, let's say, in exchange for monetary value. Some self-minors self-produce and sell illicit materials, and other children are coerced or blackmailed into producing this kind of content. Our study po nito ay pinangalanan po namin Operation Maria for, let's say, Maria means po is mga bata. In general name lang po. And then, next slide po. And then how we are able to, let's say, sell content before and also now. Dati po is, meron pong mga, let's say, tinatawag pong dark web websites na hindi po siya accessible through normal means. Sa mga normal browsers. You can only access them via special browsers or specific browsers. And yung mga payments po dati, you can only